foodies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a very delicious bitter gourd curry. Bitter gourd means, I know your face is going to turn yak. Hey, hold on. Let's try this recipe and change your opinion. Before you go, let's step into the recipe.
Let us see the ingredients needed to make Pavakka Kozhambu. 1. Bitter gourd washed and chopped. Tur dal 3 handful. Tamarind small lemon-sized ball. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Asafoetida 2 pinches. Jaggery small piece. Salt to taste. Coconut oil to fry bitter gourd and grated coconut. Finally, grated coconut 3 to 4 teaspoons. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Now, add the chopped bitter gourd. And fry for 5 minutes. This will help to remove the bitterness from the bitter gourd. Powder 1 spoon red chilli powder. Salt to taste. Now asafoetida and jaggery. Now stir well, and if you want you can add more water. Now leave it till the bitter gourd is well cooked. Now the bitter gourd is cooked well. It is time to add pre-cooked tur dal, well mixed with water to avoid lumps. Stir well uniformly. You can add sufficient water to get the required consistency. When it's butter, put the grated coconut to it. Now stir the entire thing thoroughly till the grated coconut is brownish in color. Now I am adding the fried grated coconut to it. Now the yummy Pavakka Kozhambu is ready.